Welcome to the final part of our Zanzibar tour. Today we reach the edge of the island, where the sand is like powder and the water 1,000 shades of blue. We begin in the north, at Nungwi and Kendwa, the only parts of the island where you can swim all day, regardless of the tide. Nungwi is the heart of Zanzibar's dhow-building tradition, where ancient techniques are still used to craft these legendary vessels. Each boat is a work of art, built by hand using mahogany and teak, designed to navigate the Indian Ocean just as they have for centuries. Nearby, the Baraka Natural Aquarium offers a sanctuary for rescued green sea turtles, a beautiful example of local conservation efforts. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. As the sun begins to set, a walk along Kendwa's broad beach reveals why it is often called the most beautiful in the archipelago. Moving to the southeast coast, the landscape changes dramatically as the tide recedes for hundreds of meters. This tidal landscape is the site of Zanzibar's blue economy, the vital industry of seaweed farming. Managed mostly by local women, these farms involve planting cuttings on ropes, a process that sustains thousands of families. After several weeks, the seaweed is harvested and dried, eventually finding its way into products all over the globe. Paji Beach is a different kind of world, known globally as a mecca for kite surfers thanks to its consistent winds. The energy here is electric, with surfers from around the world gathering to ride the shallow lagoons. I'm Eric Carey, and we're on a mission to reach a huge milestone, 1,000 subscribers. Hitting 1,000 subscribers represents our continued commitment to improve the channel and provide the best for you. Help us reach our goal by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell. Your subscription also helps us know what type of content you want to see more of. It's a shared journey. The goal is in sight, and with your help, we can reach it together. Join our growing community today. I'm committed to bringing you more value and better quality as we grow this channel to new heights. Thank you for being part of this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more updates. In the nearby village of Jambiani, life moves at a slower, more authentic pace, following the rhythms of the sea. Walking through these ancient paths, you feel the true heart and soul of the island's coastal communities. Just inland, we discover the hidden Kuza Cave, an ancient limestone site with a crystal-clear subterranean pool. It's not just a place to swim, but a cultural hub for traditional music and drumming. Our final destination is the Memba Atoll, widely considered the premier snorkeling spot in all of East Africa. This protected marine conservation area is a kaleidoscope of underwater life and vibrant coral reefs. Dive in to see a world of color, from clownfish hiding in anemones to larger reef sharks in the deeper zones. If you're lucky, you may even encounter a pod of wild dolphins playing in the surf. Active restoration efforts are underway here, ensuring these reefs remain healthy for generations to come. Zanzibar's marine world is a delicate balance of beauty and resilience. From the history of Stonetown to the aromatic spice farms and these stunning shores, Zanzibar has shown us a world where culture and nature are beautifully intertwined. Thank you for joining us on this 3-part walking tour of the magical Spice Island, Karibu, Zanzibar. We hope this journey has inspired you to explore the wonders of this unique archipelago for yourself. Until next time, keep exploring and keep discovering the beauty of our world. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.